the transaction of loan and interest. First, we have idea about the terms loan. सबसे पहले लोन जो टर्म्स है उसका आइडिया होना चाहिए. Then we will discuss the interest. The loan, it means whenever the amount is required, we take or give the amount to the persons, or take from the persons and give to the persons. That is called a loan. In simple words, we can say what is the loan. That is the loan. Now, loan amount provided or received from the persons, amount provided to the persons or amount received from the persons for the whenever the fund is required. जब भी हमें पैसों की रिक्वायरमेंट हो, whenever fund is required, we provide the or we take the loan. In simple word, we can say that's a two type of loan. It's called a loan borrowed. On loan lent. Then borrowed means to take the loan. Borrowed means to take the amount from the persons, and lend means to give the amount to some persons. In a simple case, see, that's a very simple. It's a business and it is a third party. For example, when the business need a more fund, जब भी business को ज़्यादा पैसों की requirement है, at the time of more funds required, business take the amount from someone. It means business borrow the amount from someone. That is called a loan taken from the someone, and we say the word used. That's a borrowed loan. We can use word borrowed loan. And in the simple terms, whenever the company or business has a sufficient or more fund, the business provides to the some persons or some institute. That is called a lend, to give the money and to lend the loan. And it's a very simple. In both cases, we know very well. See, understand. Now we will see the interest. And first, when we borrow loan, then cash comes in. We know very well. When we borrow loan, in simple terms, here we can write that cash comes in. Cash comes in. And we lend loan. जब भी किसको लोन दे रहे हैं, cash goes out. That's very simple. Cash comes in or cash goes out. Now, we'll discuss about the interest. And we know very well whenever we invested any amount or we borrowed, and then other party invested the amount. In both the cases, because of the return, whenever we invested amount and some persons invested amount, why it is or they want returns. जिस चीज को आप इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो उसका रिटर्न मिलना चाहिए. And in case of loan, the return is the interest, because we provide the cash or the amount for the fixed rate of interest. That's a fixed rate of interest. Fixed rate of interest. So in case of borrowed fund or borrowed money or loan, what happens? We have to charge while we are taking the money, or in return we have to pay the interest with interest total amount. So we are using the amount to earn the money. For example, I don't have a sufficient funds, so I borrowed from the bank or for some persons, from relatives, and I am getting more and more profit. It means उनके पैसे मीन्स मेरे बिजनेस में मैंने मीन्स लगाया और उसमें से मुझे प्रॉफिट मिल रहा है, और वो प्रॉफिट का एक फिक्स परसेंटेज यानी जो अमाउंट है वो मैं उनको रिटर्न कर रहा हूँ. तो सिंपल वर्ड समझ लेना. इन सिंपल लैंग्वेज और वर्ड्स में, दैट्स एन इंटरेस्ट इज द इंटरेस्ट. यहाँ पे बिजनेस हैज टू पे द इंटरेस्ट एंड इट्स एन एक्सपेंस. पर इंटरेस्ट paid on it's considered as an expense of the business. is considered as an expense of the business, or here cash goes out and interest comes in and we receive the interest. So interest received and interest received is the income for the business. Interest received is income for the business. That's very simple. It is the income for the business. So now we can say that the transaction of loan is very simple. Only 4 transactions are there. First, borrowed loan. That means we take the loan, we take the amount from some persons. Lent loan, we give the cash or amount to the some persons. Second one. Third is for borrowed fund, or when we take the loans we have to pay the interest. So interest paid is expense, and when we lend the loan we receive the cash. Interest received is the income and it is considered as the income. So only the 4 transactions are there. So now we will discuss the transactions. Now see sum number 7. In sum number 7, general entries in the books of, write the following transaction in the journal of Pushkar. So general entry in the books of Pushkar, date, particular now see that's okay. Now see the first transaction 2014 failed on first date due to the additional requirement of fund, यानी बिजनेस में और ज्यादा पैसों की रिक्वायरमेंट है. 12% लोन ऑफ ₹20,000 बोरोड फ्रॉम राम. कोई पर्टिकुलर फ्रेंड और रिलेटिव है राम, जिससे हमने एट द रेट ऑफ 12% ₹20,000 बोरोड फ्रॉम हिम. हमने 20,000 राम से लिए. तो सिंपल देखो मींस राम, ये एज्यूम कर लो कि सामने राम है तुम्हारा कोई फ्रेंड है रिलेटिव, और तुमने जाके you inform that means I need a lot of funds or more funds required to develop my business, and he is agreed to give the amount. So what happens? He said I will give you, but you have to pay the 12% interest per annum. 12% interest per annum. You are investing the amount and earning some amount from that. So I also charge for that. और उसने भी वो अमाउंट के लिए 12% चार्ज किया है. Whatever we earn 20% or 30% doesn't matter, but out of the total earning we have to pay the 12% per annum to the RAM. So exactly we have to pay after 1 year. And at the time what happened, we take 20,000 from RAM. That means we borrowed from the RAM, and it's a loan from RAM. We can use the loan of RAM. और कैश comes in, so cash account debited to 12% Ram's loan, 12% Ram's loan account. So what happened? It shows the loan taken from Ram at the rate of 12% per annum, and the amount is 20,000. So we know very well in borrowed loan, जब भी लोन ले रहे हैं तो मीन्स हमारे लिए लायबिलिटीज बन रही है और कैश कम्स इन, डेबिट दी कैश कम्स इन. नाउ सी द सेकंड नंबर ₹8,000 लेंड टू लक्ष्मण एट द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ 8%. लक्ष्मण तुम्हारे पास आया और बोल रहा है कि मुझे 8,000 की रिक्वायरमेंट है, कुछ सो प्रॉब्लम्स हुआ है, कुछ भी है, तो हमने उसे ₹8,000 एट द रेट ऑफ 8% इंटरेस्ट से दे दिए तो कैश गोज आउट एंड ये हमारे लिए व्हाट टाइप ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट है क्योंकि हमें रिटर्न मिलने वाला है सो दैट इज कॉल्ड अ 12% 8% Lakshman's means invested to the Lakshman's account 8% Lakshman's loan account debited to और loan to Lakshman लिख दो तो भी चलेगा loan to Lakshman 8% loan to Lakshman account debited to cash goes out that's why cash account credited sorry check और bank we have to check पेमेंट कैश में हुआ है चेक से हुआ एक बार चेक कर लो वरना ओके नॉट मेंशन सो वी कंसीडर दैट चेक मींस कैश इज पेड नाउ नंबर 8 रिसीव्ड कैश 800 फॉर लोन लैंड to Bharat and 200 for interest. That's important things. There are two entries. Again, received cash rupees 800 for loan lent to Bharat. भरत को तुमने लोन दी है उसके तुम्हें 800 रुपीज मिल गए हैं एंड 200 फॉर इंटरेस्ट तो समझ लो अच्छे से कि भरत ने टोटल जो लोन की अमाउंट है टोटल तो पता नहीं है वट एवर द अमाउंट बट 800 रिपेड बाय द भरत रिसीव्ड कैश ऑफ 800 फॉर लोन लैंड जो लोन दी थी उसके लिए उसने दिए मींस लोन लैंड टू भरत एंड 200 फॉर इंटरेस्ट तो 200 इंटरेस्ट रिसीव्ड है वो हमारी इनकम है क्रेडिट होने वाला है 800 जो लोन दी थी उसके पैसे रिटर्न आए वो भी कैश कैश अकाउंट डेबिट होने वाला है और इंटरेस्ट इनकम है तो इंटरेस्ट क्रेडिट होने वाला है और लोन रिटर्न हुई है तो रिसीव्ड कैश आई है एक में मींस तो पहले कैश रिसीव्ड वाला कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं तो कैश अकाउंट डेबिटेड ₹800 कैश रिसीव्ड लोन लैंड टू यानी लोन दी है हमने और वो पैसे रिटर्न आ गए तो कैश कम्स इन एंड सेकंड थिंग इज 200 इंटरेस्ट रिसीव्ड आल्सो 200 सो यू कैन मेक द कंबाइंड एंट्री और इफ यू वांट सेपरेट एंट्री पहले मैं सेपरेट करवा देता हूं कैश अकाउंट डेबिटेड कितनी अमाउंट है 800 टू लोन ऑफ भरत और भरत लोन लिख लेते हैं चलो भरत लोन you can write the Lakshman's loan then the loan of Lakshman to Bharat's loan और ये 800 ये एंट्री हो सकती है और इंटरेस्ट हमारी इनकम है अगेन कैश अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू इंटरेस्ट अकाउंट इंटरेस्ट दैट्स इनकम तो इंटरेस्ट अकाउंट विद द अमाउंट ऑफ 200 और we make the combined entry for that the cash total 8 plus 2000 then cash account is debited 1000 rupees to Bharat's account and to interest account and 800 or 200 rupees that's both entry we can make a combined entry for that now next ₹5000 return back to Sita for borrowed loan and paid interest 400 तो सेम एंट्री है मींस कंबाइंड एंट्री कर लेते हैं कि मींस हमने 500 रिटर्न किए कैश गोज क्रेडिट इंटरेस्ट पे किया वो भी कैश गोज क्रेडिट एंड दी सीता फॉर बोरोड लोन सीता से हमने लोन लिया है तो सीता लोन अकाउंट हम डेबिट उसे क्या कर लेंगे हम पेमेंट कर रहे हैं तो अपनी लायबिलिटी रिड्यूस हो रही है तो सीता लोन अकाउंट डेबिटेड इंटरेस्ट अकाउंट भी हमारे लिए एक्सपेंस है सो डेबिटेड एंड टू कैश अकाउंट इज क्रेडिटेड द अमाउंट ऑफ लोन इज 5000 एंड इंटरेस्ट इज 400 so 5000 and then amount of interest is 400 and total 5400 and it's close the account now the next one received interest ₹2000 for loan lent to कौशल को जो लोन दी थी उसका इंटरेस्ट हमें 200 मिल रहा है यानी कि मिला है तो कैश कम्स इन कैश अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन अकाउंट और इंटरेस्ट अकाउंट यू कैन राइट द इंटरेस्ट अकाउंट आल्सो द अमाउंट इज 200 रुपीस इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन अकाउंट Next, interest for 1 month paid for the from Ram. So we know very well. We'll take the loan from Ram 20,000 at 12%. तो interest यहाँ पे calculate करना है. The amount of interest is not given at the rate of 12%. That's why 12 by 100 or for 1 month 1 by 12. 12 का double 0 का. So amount of interest for 1 month is equal to 200 rupees. And we take the loan. It means we borrowed the loan from Ram. So we have to pay rupees 200. 200 rupees हमें उसे payment interest for 1 month paid for the loan. Payment कर दिया हमने. So cash goes out to interest on loan. Interest on Ram's loan लिख सकते हो, but interest on loan simple लिखेंगे चलेगा. Interest on loan account debited to interest on loan account debited to cash goes. So cash account credited and the amount is 200 rupees. Now the simple 10, 12, 15. 1, 5, 8, 10, 12, 15, 10. Next, interest on 1 month paid for the 15. Okay, हो गया. Now 18 number, last one. That's very simple. Rupees 75 becomes receivable, not received but become receivables for interest on loan of Lakshman. तो receivables is the assets. हमारे receivable assets अभी तक मिले नहीं हैं, तो also credited to Ram's loan account और income में जाएगा. तो receivables, तो outstanding interest on loan को you get outstanding interest on loan account. On loan account debited. It's a receivable amount. Rupees 75 become receivable for interest on loan Lakshman 75. और ये हमारी income है, तो to interest account, to interest account 75. Not received but it becomes a receivable. Keep in mind, actually means हमें वो पैसे मिले नहीं हैं, but वो मिलने वाले हैं. So we can say that it is the receivable amount and all the receivable amount is considered as assets we discussed in our terms. So this is the transaction of loan and interest, and it's very simple. Now we'll discuss the outstanding income. You can write the outstanding income or the word Lakshman is there, or you can say the Lakshman's account or Lakshman's account, because it's a Lakshman person's loan is add in a amount of loan. Actually वो loan में add होना चाहिए. So Lakshman's account or outstanding interest on loan both are correct. So loan and interest on loan. This is the transaction of loan and interest. Now that's very simple. Again repeat कर रहा हूँ कि do the practice, and within the short time we are going to start our school as per the government norms. Government के rules के according अब short time में school start होने वाली है. So we'll discuss whatever the doubts you have. तुम्हें जितने भी doubts है वो सब discuss होंगे. And we make a plan for the rapid revision for session for 1 week. एक week के एक session में planning करेंगे कि ये हमारा rapid revision हो जाए और जो भी doubts है वो सब clear होंगे. So don't worry about it. Do the practice, more and more practice at home. We know very well this is the time of Corona. उसकी वजह से बहुत लोग डिस्टर्ब हुए, पता है मीन्स, बट इसके लिए मीन्स हम 100% हमारा बेस्ट देने वाले हैं. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच.